Let's get right to KPIX 5's Betty Yu. Betty?
Liz, the private Facebook group allegedly made up of both active and retired officers was first revealed by someone claiming to be the partner of a Bay Area law enforcement officer. The troubling comments were published in an article today on the online platform Medium. It points to a number of both public and private posts mocking Black Lives Matter, describing members as, quote, racist idiots and enemies. One user condemns any Facebook friend who supports or participates in the movement. There are also posts mocking protesters. One user wrote, "Black lives don't really matter." Members of the Muslim community are also the subject of many posts. One person wrote, "I say repurpose the hijabs into nooses," and added a smiling emoji. Mayor Sam Liccardo released a statement that reads in part, "I demand and expect a full investigation and further expect that racist, anti-Muslim, or menacing comments expressed by any current SJPD officer will be met with termination." Police Chief Eddie Garcia has responded saying, "While I have no control over what former employees post online, I can voice my outrage after hearing about these comments made online. Any current employee involved with bigoted activity online will promptly be investigated and held accountable to the fullest extent of my power." The San Jose Police Officers Association said tonight that it has zero tolerance for such behavior. The president announced that he will take swift action, including expelling members from the union.
The news that I read today about members of our union and former members of our union participating in an online ring of hate makes me sick.
Tonight, the Santa Clara County DA said that what he read sickened him, and no one who expresses these types of disgusting, racist comments should ever wear a badge. The office will begin immediately reviewing each case where an officer, active or retired, played a role. Ken?